Welcome to the Daily Jing for Friday, September 7th. Let's look at the schedule. Come down here and click on this link and go to the second week Friday. We're still doing the influencing machine discussion question 2, which is due on Monday by 6 a.m. You need to do 2 posts a week. One a response post, and then you need to respond to someone else's post. Okay, everyone needs to do 2. And the position argument paper audience portion is to be posted into your student course page. This is due by Monday at 6 a.m. also. You have the weekend to work on it. Any of the assignments that are posted on a particular day are finally due by the next course day at 6 a.m. So this is Friday. It says it's due Friday, but it's finally due by 6 a.m. on Monday. If an assignment is due on a Wednesday, it's finally due by 6 a.m. on Friday, and so forth. Monday we meet in class. Okay, so come to class on Monday, and we'll talk about the assignment, we'll talk about the paper, I'll answer any questions you have. I'll talk about what's due, what's coming up, and various other things. Okay, now let's go to the D2L again and look at where to find the view and do's. The view and do's are start today. I'm sorry, I didn't show you that. We're going to start the first view and do today, and it will be due finally by, or it'll be due Wednesday, and then finally due by Friday at 6 a.m. And that's going to be every week. Okay, so let's look at what the view and do's entail. Go to content, and if you go down here to course view and do, you will see, you will see this page. It's a table of contents page. Please look at the how to view and do first before you do this, and then go into audience, which is the first view and do. You should do this view and do before you do the audience part of your student course page. This is another example of how to do audience, or how to think about audience, and it will help you configure your audience for your paper. Okay, so do this view and do first before you do the audience portion of your student course page. Okay, so what's due today? The student course page audience is due over the weekend. We're starting the view and do today, and the discussion question is due over the weekend. Make sure that you do 2 posts for the discussion. If you go down here, you will see chapter 1 to 6, question 2. Okay, so the question of the day is what's due? The discussion and the audience portion of your student course page, and the view and do on audience. Okay? All right, thanks. And we'll see you in class on Monday.